Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to claim a special half anniversary reward for day 2 in Heartopia. So starting from July 8th, the developer released a special half anniversary rewards that in here every player can claim it for free. And okay, let's get started. First just open smartwatch, go to settings, this one, and then just tap on redeem code, and then just enter this code, half year 180 like this, and then next just tap got it, and then next just check your mailbox, in-game mailbox. The reward will be sent to there like this, and then in here you can see it, you got the 30 Moonlight crystal, 10 missing star, 2 rare timber, 2 flawless chloride, and many more. And then next just simply tap claim to claim all rewards. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.